Greetings everyone, this is Gerard. Welcome to Just One Good Trade. Interestingly here, we have price action almost breaking a previous low. And one of the reasons why we didn't enter right away is because it broke it, but did not give us confirmation. Let's look quickly at the performance today. 8:30, it rose at least, let's say, 10 points. 8:32 will dwindle down to this level. Now we're getting to a point where it's deciding whether it's going to be a reversal or it will continue its tumble down. Now, I'm hoping that we get a confirmation, and right now there's a possibility for confirmation here. Okay. Ooh, I need to first right away. Okay, I'm in. And let's see. Are we gonna have more? Actually, let's see. From here to here, as it reached 2 points. Instead, but I don't think it has the momentum. If it doesn't break the low, we should exit. Okay. If it can't break the low, too much confusion. If it can't break the low. Okay, touched the low but reversed, which is not a good sign. Is it gonna touch first? Okay, I'm out. It's a lot of confusion, a lot of it might continue down, but that was a bit too much for what I was hoping for. It's a lot of confusion, and it's hard to, there's a chance it might go down. But in my perspective, that's a lot of risk here. This is a point where there's confusion, indecision, and you don't really know if it's going to reverse or continue down. In that case, I opted to just exit this trade. It didn't have the profile. Yes, for some reason it went down. What can I do? 842. Extra 2 points. Wow. The market, you trick me. What trickery is this? What time was this? This was an interesting period for, I would say, for 8:40, for a period of 2 minutes. It went into this limbo and then broke down. Let's see, from here, 865, good 4 points. What can we do? I normally wait for 8:53. There's always a trade at 8:53. And 8:50, 8:53, 8:55. So right now, momentum is really down. And unless we get to a point where it breaks those simple moving averages, as you know by now, I'm not going to consider any trade. So right now I'm going to chill, just look at the market, observe, and come back when I sense that it's ready for a reversal or a decisive continuation. By the way, have you noticed how that was really quick? From, what time was it here? Let's see. 8:43, 8:43, 8:44. In 1 minute, it took almost half the profits from this trade. Something else I should also mention, you see how we got confirmation here? It's always good to give yourself some leverage, some cushion before you start, before you enter. For example, here, you see? Okay, let's see if we get a tree. Let's see if we get confirmation. Wow, it's very intense. 8:45. Wow, that's a huge tumble. As I was saying here, it ends 1867. We probably should wait until 866. I'm seeing 810. A good half a point. It's always good to give yourself half a point before entering after the confirmation. Even if you get 2 points of a trade, it's a good performance. Okay, let's see what's going to happen here. Let's look at our other chart to see if we can understand. As you can tell, it touched the 20 period moving average and just got stopped there. On the 800, it did just that. Look at that, it touched the 11 period moving average, simple moving average, and that became a red tape, stopped it, and I'm sure the same from 2400, not the same, but so right now, what am I aiming for? Am I aiming for reversal? I'm not quite sure, to be honest. I think what might happen is we get a tumble down and then it spears up, breaking those levels. 847. So we might also get a range here, consolidation period here, where it's going to be a moment of limbo until it breaks those decisively with confirmation. Remember, always look for the confirmation. And in the meantime, I'm always doing my analysis by drawing support and resistance line, trying to understand where there might be a level. For example, here, look at that. See this level? There's a possibility that something happens here. There is a safe trade line. Is a safe trade line. So if it breaks this, okay, are we gonna get a confirmation? It broke. Reverse right away. brutally, to be honest. More than 2 points. If this candle gets into the same direction, and then we wait half a point, let's get into this trade. 8:49. I always give myself 4 more minutes for a trade. Okay, broke this. Always drawing superlines. Interesting. No full safety here. Again, if it breaks this, I'll be waiting for confirmation. Wow, that's huge. That's huge. Okay. See it's gonna be confirmation. $8.50. $50. The safe trade line is here, meaning for reversal, it would be ideal for it to break. But that being said, I don't know if it's going to be reversal. It's been pushing down. The level that we want to break is this one here. It's touching it. You know, it's been doing this where it's not been, it's going down further and further, but not doing it in a way that signals a lot of movement. So here, let's see, is it gonna break? It's almost as if you take your 1 point and you exit. You take your 1 point, you exit. Okay. 8:52. I say we have, for this session, we have 3 more minutes left. This, in some way, this can become the new range. $8.52. A lot of timidity to break. Again, if it breaks, we wait for the confirmation. At least the confirmation has to be on the other side of this line. Ooh. Confirmation. 6. Okay. Problem if it's too ambitious. Right. Let's see. Steam seafood. Okay. Let's see if it will continue. Ooh, it reversed. Okay. Got onto this trade, but it reversed right away. Let's see if there's a chance it will cross this. If it does, let's get into this trade. This is it gonna break? Break those lines decisively, that'll be amazing. Let's go. Amazing. Hopefully it doesn't reverse past this. Yes. If it gets here, we break even. If it gets here, we make our profit. That being said, let's see what's there. Oh man, see that red tape? Touched it and reversed. Let's see if it's gonna continue. It's to here. Wow. Okay, might be time for us to exit. If it breaks that low, to exit. If it breaks the high, life is smiling upon us. So that'll be amazing if it breaks the high. Oh, this right here. Let's do this. 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 Let's break the high. Let's break the high. Let's break the high. Give us a profit. Get to that blue. Give us a profit. Ooh, it's doing it. Okay, touched it, but reversed. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So touch it and reverse. No, not reverse. Touch it and let's get to the blue, to this level, if possible. If not, let's take our profit while we can. Let's take it where we can. Is it gonna push through? Push through. Push through. Push through. May not. It's probably not. Push through. Okay. I think it's time for us to exit. Okay. Let's go. Let's push through. Push through. Up. Okay. trade. Did it touch? Yeah, see this? That's the reason why I have to trade with the... That's why I trade with the idea of the red tape. It's here. That's something I need to be better at. Because if it touches here and it reverses, I know it's not going to work. Now let's see. Is it going to continue down? Let's see if we can get 2 more points. If we do, life will smile upon us. Is it gonna break the low? Is it gonna break the low? Okay. No reverse. It's reversing. Wow. Is it gonna break the low? Just play that way. Is it gonna break the low? Touched the low, but didn't break it. Okay, it broke, reversed again. Okay, this is time for us to exit. Exit. Okay. Is it gonna break the previous low and give us an amazing trade? Don't reverse, don't reverse. Continue en bas, continue, descend, descend. So from here to here, let's see if it's going to reverse. Okay, time for us to exit. If it's not going to break the low, we should exit. Touch the low, did it break it? Yeah, it broke it. Is it going to reverse? Ah, it did. You know, there's bend trades, it's just they're not consistent. That being said, I took this trade here. I don't think it's fully my profile. But look at that. We're done trading. Let's see. Let's look at this trade here. What was that? Now, I really dislike those full reversal because this is basically confirmation, but then it reversed right away brutally, like a full 4 points, which, just like I said, I don't always appreciate. I don't always appreciate that. Gonna break the low. Wow. Good. We actually made a small little profit despite this day. Wow. Today was an interesting day. Again, there's some trades that I don't normally take. Some continuation trade. The one trade that I would say I understand why I took it, but was a bummer is this one here. That's a huge bummer. Like, you get into a trade and all of a sudden it's 60 and it goes all the way up to like a good 2-4 points, and that can be heartbreaking in some way, but you need to have the mental strength to say, you know what, that's fine, that is fine, I will get it back. A trade that we could have taken, we didn't take, is this one here, which is a little Well, actually, we did take it. It's just the market gave us this moment here, which, after here, I had to exit. But then that was a lot. That was a lot. This trade, that would have been a good trade. Let's see. From here, 866, all the way up to 868. Something that we've also seen, we've seen that a lot of those trades are never straightforward. They go up and down, the market does. But then at this point here, we knew we had to exit because of the red tape. See that red tape here? Touched it first. Is it the same thing on the 800 chart? Same thing. So in some way, it would benefit us to trade and with having the 200 tick chart as entry, but having the 400, 800, 2400 tick chart as exit points in some way. That's a huge trade. Something I also really love about when you look at different charts, when you look at this is almost flawless. We're going all the way straight down. When you look at the 200 chart, it tells a different story. That being said, thank you very much. Thank you for being with me on this trade. It's been, I would say, 30 minutes. All you need is just one good trade, and we can make this happen. Have a wonderful day, and come back tomorrow.